Hi guys, it's Masimba here and I'm back with another tutorial, and this one is on how to bypass a Wi-Fi firewall that has been set up that requires credentials for you to log on to the internet or for you to get access to the internet. Even though you have a password to the Wi-Fi, or if it's an open Wi-Fi like that one for universities, it's open, but then the moment you connect to it, then requires credentials of a student for you to be able to access the internet. Or for corporates, it then requires a username and a password to show that you are actually an employee and um, can get access to the internet. So we're going to be using an application called the Siphon Pro. It's free. You can download it and get it on your Google Play Store, and it is also available for PC. So right now, let us just connect to the Wi-Fi. Let's turn on our Wi-Fi there. Wi-Fi and internet. Wi-Fi. Let's connect to the first network that we have there, and already it's telling us to sign into the network for OK Zimbabwe, and we do not have credentials for this. Let's go to our browser. Just so let's reload this page so that you see that right now we do not have any connection. You see, it says connect to Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi you're using may require you to visit a login page, and even if we say connect, the login page then brings us back to the user page, to the page where you have to put in the username and the password for us to be able to access the internet. So we're going now to start our Siphon Pro. When you start it, make sure that on your VPN settings it says tunneling all applications, and then on more options there you have ticked disable timeouts for slow networks, and then now we just start our Siphon, and then it starts the countdown, and on top here it will be saying right here Siphon Pro is connecting. And then we go back to it. The moment it connects, it then redirects us to this page. This is a Siphon page. It doesn't matter, like you can just remove it, like you can just close it. And then let's go back to this page that we've tried to connect to before, the ZimCEO.co.zw page. Now just check on top, it's saying that Siphon Pro is tunneling all apps. That means it's now active, it's tunneling all applications. And now let's just reload this page. And unfortunately the network is a little bit slow, that's why it's taking a bit longer. But now we have reloaded the page, and Zimbabwe CEO's network is now online. Like I can even Google myself, just so you see that the network is now up. You see, there we are. And just so you see, our mobile network is off, and the Wi-Fi was still connected to is OK Zimbabwe, the one that was refusing to connect before. So that is the tutorial on how you can bypass the Wi-Fi network of your company, of your organization, or of your neighbor if they have such a Wi-Fi setup. Don't forget to like our YouTube channel. Please hit like on the video and subscribe so that we can be able to give you more